Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a buy button in Google Sites website tutorial. So first is first, you have to log into your Google site right here. You can create a Google site from a blank page or template, or you can choose from any of their template right here. So let's just say I'm going to use my existing template. So I will be selling, or I will be promoting my shoe product right here. This is what it looks like. Now I wanted to add a buy button below, but this button, it should take them to my other store or my main store. So you have to go to insert, tap on button, add here buy button, and I'm going to type or add the link right here, the link of my store. So if they tap on the buy button, it will take them directly to my store. Now you can use your site, you can use your WordPress, Wix, or whatever site that you have. You can also try PayHip. All you have to do is create an account here. Here you can sell digital downloads, courses, and so on. So create an account right here, name, last name, and so on. Then add the name of your store. So this is your temporary link, the link of your store. You can change that one later if you have domain. So here you can now start by adding products. You can now set up your store right here on PayHip. So go to products, add your products right here. I'm going to add my shoes. For example, I have added my shoe product right here. Now I'm going to tap on store. Then I can tap on the launch my store first, or I can just basically go on to the domain right here. If you have existing domain, just connect your domain. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's just use this temporary link. Paste it here on the Google site, wait for a couple of seconds. And then once you see that this insert button is available, tap on insert and you should see it right here. Now publish your Google site, and once your customers see this buy button, and if they click that one, it will take them directly to your store, which is PayHip. And then they can buy your products right here. So that's how easy it is to create a buy button in Google Sites website tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.